Welcome back, THF YouTubers and IGers. Today we've got some cotton candy at the circus. Check it out. These rock lights literally look like cotton candy. They got like multiple colors shining in different areas. Check it out. Even look on the ground. Ooh, this looks sweet. These are technically RGB rock lights. You can change them to red, blue. It's up to you. You can have them go through different channels as you see, or you could leave it on one channel, one color if you want. Like let's just say you like blue. Again, like I always say, it's like Burger King, have it your way. Now, this customer selected to go with one rock light per wheel well, which looks amazing. Imagine if they would have did 8. It would have been super bright, like car show quality. Let's go back to that cotton candy. Woo-wee! I love that cotton candy. Guys, give us a call if you're ready to update your vehicle. Don't forget, subscribe to this channel for the newest, latest in lighting technologies, okay? Give us a call. Thank you and God bless.